Hey, there's a cheese boulder in my way. I need backup. Coming in. Hey, that's not your cheese. Problem solved. What do you mean that's not your cheese?
I want nachos.
Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be making
The ultimate nachos.
So, in our nachos we have these ingredients. To make our nachos, we need to start by
Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
heat a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add in ground beef, use a spoon to break up the meat, and cook 8 to 10 minutes until beef is fully cooked through. Drain excess grease. Add in the taco seasoning, which you have to make. We make it here. Then stir and cook 60 to 90 seconds.
Pour in water and add in refried beans. Stir to combine and cook until heated through. Keep warm.
Spread chips out onto a baking sheet or other desired oven-safe baking dish, including a 9x13 pan, cast iron skillet, or even a pie plate.
Sprinkle 2 cups of the cheese over the chips. Dot with the beef and bean mixture. Top with remaining 2 cups of cheese.
Bake in the 350-degree oven for 5 to 7 minutes, or until cheese is fully melted.
Remove from the oven and add additional toppings as desired. Serve warm.
Now, let's go try it. These look so delicious. So, I guess we're just gonna get these out with a spoon, kind of? Or are we just gonna, I don't know what we're gonna do. Yeah, but we need to put, okay, how about we put toppings on our plate first? So if you want to top your nachos with anything,
You can top it alone, or if you want, you can top just the whole thing.
okay. You can also add onions, green onions, sour cream, jalapenos, cilantro, whatever you want. Okay, let's try it. Ready? Let's each take a chip from the middle. Here, I'm gonna get some of the beef. That's a lot. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Say cheese! Delicious. Please make sure to like our videos
Follow us on Instagram or Facebook.
and
Subscribe.